How to fade an image in Canva. So whether you want to blend a background or you just want to go and fade an image, I'll show you two different methods. Now, first thing you need to do is head over to Canva and go and create your design. You can then click on Uploads from the left-hand side. Make sure you've uploaded the photo you want to fade, and then you can add it to your timeline like this. Now you may want to go and reposition or resize the image like so. Once you have your image placed, we can come over to the left-hand side and scroll down and click on Apps. Now click on the search box and then go and search for the word blend. You can then click on this app, which is Image Blender. You'll have two options. You can either merge two images together or you can just fade an image. So I'm going to press fade. Now select your fade type. I'm going to click radial. And you can also adjust the strength of the fade as well. Now once you're happy with the fade effect, just go and press save. And as you can see, this image has now automatically been blended. Now the second way to do this is you can come back over to apps on the left hand side. Now go and search for an app called Image Mixer and click on this. Now click on Image Mixer, click on Open, and click on Mix Selected Image. Now once again, you can select the mix type, either radial or linear. You can also adjust the strength of the blur. You can also adjust the blur strength, and you can also choose the section of the image that you want to blur. Now once you're happy with the fade effect, just go and press save, and that's the second way on how to blend images in Canva.